I thought I would do kind of a spontaneous live stream on here and talk to you guys about my 5 different sources of income that I make from YouTube. I counted up, I actually have 5, not 4. And I want to kind of run through those for you because a lot of people, they get a little frustrated with YouTube. Maybe they're not getting as many views as they want or as many leads as they want. And I just want to kind of show you that there are other sources of income from YouTube, not just the ad revenue that you make off of your YouTube videos and not just the leads that you get from your business as well. And, by all means, you can kind of experiment and play around with these. And I want to run through what my top 5 sources of income are today. And I'm still kind of experimenting with these as well. So I went and let's jump into one that I'm pretty happy with, and that's Amazon affiliate links. So I went and checked out my stats for this month on my Amazon affiliate links, and let me show you how much I made. So in the last 30 days, through Amazon affiliate links on my YouTube videos, I've made $1,344. And I'm very, very happy with that. And I actually made about that last month as well. And that's pretty good for me. I think the most I've ever made is maybe $3,000 in 1 month just from Amazon affiliate links like this. And I'll kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about with that. So let's see if I can share one of my tabs here. So that's really where I started getting into YouTube. Long before I was even a real estate agent, I was making YouTube videos and making money off the Amazon affiliate links. So right here, if you Google hammock camping, for example, if you don't count the ads or this is called a rich snippet, where they take a snippet from somebody's website. The first real results are these videos right here. These 2 videos are both my YouTube videos. And I don't know if you can see here, this search term gets 33,000 views a month, 33,000 views a month. And I've got 2 videos at the top of the search page for those 2 search terms. And that's huge. And this is really where I get a lot of my money from my Amazon affiliate links, and really where I started off and started learning about YouTube. And if you see that, I got a little baby face. I was still in the military back then. But if you scroll down, I have a whole bunch of affiliate links here going to different Amazon products, different camping gear and stuff that I talk about in the YouTube videos. And actually in my video, I even direct people and say, hey, if you guys want this hammock or you want this underquilt or these tarps, the links down in the description below. Now, there's a lot of people out there that tell you that having links in your description will hurt the performance of your YouTube video. And here's my view on that. Theoretically, they're correct. Theoretically, that is theoretically ending a user session time. YouTube doesn't like that. But I will say from my anecdotal experience that in this video, I direct a lot of people down to my links to these products. And you see this video is almost at 1 million views, 930,000 views, despite me taking so many people off the platform. And so I think the way I look at it is, yes, taking people off the platform, it's a strike against you. But if you have a good enough video that's keeping people watching along, like that can more than overcome that strike against you with taking people off the platform. And this is really the business model that I followed on this channel for a long time, and how I made $1,000 in the last month. And what's great is I made this video 3 years ago. This video is still generating me money 3 years later. And I've got a bunch of videos just like that. I actually just filmed a video today for this channel. I'm so close to getting that silver play button. I really need to make more videos on this channel. And so if you click on one of these products, it should take you to that product's Amazon page. If they buy that, I make anywhere between like 3% and 7% of that sale, as well as any other products that they buy for the next 24 hours. So that's kind of one way that you can use these, is you link to an individual product. And it's actually pretty easy. Once you have to join the Amazon partner program, and then you can literally link to any product on Amazon. It is amazing. So no matter what niche that you're in, if you wanted to start a channel about bonsai trees or car repairs or chests or something like that, you can find anything for any niche on Amazon, and you can start making money from affiliate links like that. All you do is you literally come up here, you go click on get link with text, and you copy that link right there, and that's your Amazon link. But anyway, this is huge. This used to be a big part of my business model, were these Amazon affiliate links. And then I used to focus on search, like this video here, and I make videos that get tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of views, and this used to make me quite a bit of money. So this one here, I uploaded this just last year, 523,000 views. Once again, the very top link is just taking them to that Amazon affiliate site. So I got to do more of that. And another thing I like to do is I'll make a comment, and then I pin that comment to the top of my comment section, and that has all my links in it as well. And that's super effective. So even if you guys haven't been able to monetize your channels yet, let's say you're not at 1,000 subscribers yet and you can't actually monetize your channel, the Amazon affiliate program is kind of a good way for you to make some money otherwise. In terms of real estate, it's a little tricky to get products like that, but this is really pretty helpful if you wanted to start another channel about a specific topic. Now, I recently went through and updated all of my descriptions and all of my things, my default description. And on my YouTube videos, I started putting the Amazon affiliate links to the camera gear that I use in my videos. So if I have any real estate agents that are wondering what kind of camera I have, I can tell them, hey, it's in the description of all my videos. They click on these, and then I can make some money that way as well. So Amazon affiliate links, that's the first source of income that I make off of my YouTube videos. So let's talk about AdSense. So ads are another source of income that they play ads on top of your YouTube videos. And ads, how you get paid on that is there's something called CPM, which is cost per mil, which means cost per 1,000 views. And that is based off of the topics that you talk about. And so recently, you notice I started talking more about money and finance on my channel. It's because money and finance have some of the highest CPMs on YouTube out of any topic out there. And the way I look at it is that, money and real estate and saving money and personal finance, it all ties in together. I think that, that type of topic can be really helpful to somebody trying to buy a house. So you have CPM, which is how much the advertiser is going to pay for the ad on top of your video. Then you have RPM, which is the revenue per million, which is how much you are actually getting paid from that. And I believe YouTube takes 60%, 40% of it and gives you 60%. It's something like that. They give us the better cut of that. So for every 1,000 views I get on this one video, I'm going to make $28 if I can keep that RPM where it is. So far, this is a brand new video. I've only got a couple hundred views on it, so I'm up to $6. But that is another way that I make money on YouTube. And let me go ahead and tell you what, I'll show you what my stats are for my channel right now. I'll show you what my actual analytics are. So right now my numbers are actually down. I haven't been uploading very much lately, but in the last, let's do the last 90 days. So last 3 months, I've made about $2,300 in ad revenue. That's this number right here. So breaking down to maybe $70 or $700 a month from the ads playing on my videos. And then I also have my other channel, my outdoor channel. Let's see what the numbers are for that one for the past 90 days as well. It's probably somewhere around there, honestly. It's kind of funny, the CPMs on this channel is much lower. So yeah, it's actually pretty dang close. So again, I make about $700 from both of those. But the CPM on this topic, look at that. The RPM, how much I actually make per 1,000 views, $4 on my outdoor channel. $4. That video that I just showed you about money, that was making $28 per 1,000 views. That's so significant. I don't have as many opportunities for affiliate links with the money one and the real estate one as I do on my outdoor channel, but that's why you're lucky, because real estate and finance have some of the highest RPMs out of all the different channels. So let's see, what is my revenue? Okay, so my average is about $9 right there. Oh, $9 per 1,000 views that you make on a YouTube video. All right, so that's my second source of income. So we have affiliate links, Amazon affiliate links, and then we have the money that I actually make off of the ads playing on my videos. Another thing that I've started doing just recently, I'm kind of experimenting with this, is since I'm talking a lot more about money and investing. I have one video where I talk about investing in Reits, which is a real estate investment trust. It's essentially a stock that you can buy, and that company, all they do is invest in real estate. And on those, I've been pitching different brokerage accounts, investing brokerage accounts, and they're affiliate links. And if they sign up using my link, they get some free stocks and I get some free stocks. And so let me show you some numbers on here. So this is from Robinhood. So Robinhood is one of the brokerages that if they sign up, they get a free stock and I get a free stock for referring them. Most of them are kind of crap stocks. So now $5, $10, but every now and then you get a big one. And I've gotten 2 big ones so far that were $150 or more. So far this year, 2020, I've probably gotten about 20 free stocks from Robinhood affiliate links. So that's something you guys could look into. And then I recently started doing the same thing with Webull, which is another free brokerage. And this one, you get 2 free stocks and they get 2 free stocks when they sign up. You can see here, I've gotten 9 free stocks so far this year, each, between $12 and $15 or so. So I made maybe $100 off of that so far this year. Robinhood, I maybe made $400 or $500 in 2020. So nothing revolutionary, but it's still kind of fun, And if you have one video really take off, and in that video, one of your call to actions is, hey, go sign up for Robinhood down below to get your 1 free stock or 2 free stocks from Webull, that could really add up pretty quickly. So that is my, what is that, 3rd or 4th source of income. I think that's my 3rd source of income. My 4th source of income, and obviously the most profitable way to use YouTube, the absolute best way, is to generate leads for another business, whatever business that may be. And in this case, real estate is one of the most profitable businesses out there. If you were doing this and you were just generating leads for, let's say like a plumbing company or a yard service company, maybe you get a client, make a few $100, but real estate, you get a client, you can make thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars. And last year my GCI was like 208, and like 106,000 of that GCI, I believe, came from YouTube leads, complete strangers who found me on YouTube. So that is absolutely the most profitable way to make money off of YouTube, generating leads for your real estate business. And this year I'm on track to do about the same as well. I did 30 transactions last year. My goal this year is to do between 20 and 25 transactions, but I want my net to be about the same as it was last year. And I just want to put my time focusing on other things like this Facebook group and my other YouTube channels as well. But I'm pretty confident I'm still going to hit another $100,000 this year just from leads that I'm generating from my YouTube videos for my real estate business. So that, let's say, is revenue number 4 and probably the best one. And then another kind of 5th one would be generating leads and then referring those out to people. So far, I think I've had 3 transactions that I've referred out that I've gotten 25% of their commissions from that. So nothing huge. That's maybe $4,000 or $5,000 total this year I've made just from sending out referrals to other people from leads that I generated off my YouTube channel. I don't really want to start a referral business. There's some people who their whole business model is they make big videos about real estate and they say, hey, I can find you an agent anywhere in the country. That sounds like a freaking nightmare, man. That sounds like such a pain in the neck. Unless you have like a real system in place and you have like an assistant or something that does that for you. But I send out a lot of referrals. Most of them don't ever close. That's just the truth of it. It's kind of tricky to connect an agent and another buyer in another market if you haven't really spent the time to build that relationship with that potential buyer. You also have to find a good agent as well. There's so many of them out there that they just drop the ball on your leads. It's very frustrating. I think having that business model of making YouTube videos to generate leads to refer out all across the country, like that just sounds like a very frustrating business model, not really one I want to pursue at like a high level. So yeah, but that is another source of income that I make a couple grand a year off of referrals that I give out to other agents all around the country and even in my own market as well. The last source of income that I want to talk about is what I've been doing a lot lately. And that's that I've got a course and I sell that course on, where is it? Yeah, so I make YouTube videos and then I send people to my course to learn more about using YouTube for lead generation. And that's this course right here at youtubeleadgen.com. So if you guys did want to sign up for that, you get a bunch of free stuff here. I'm not going to do too hard of a sales pitch on it. You can go check that out. But that's youtubeleadgen.com to sign up for my free online course. Then I also offer one-on-one consultations, and that is kind of a different thing. One's on autopilot, where the consultations are more interactive. I'll do a live stream like this, and I'll sit down with somebody who really do a deep dive into their YouTube channels. But that's something else that I also charge for, and I do one-on-one consultations. So that's kind of my last source of income. And what is that? That's probably about 6 or 7 sources of income that I make just off of YouTube. And my ultimate goal is for me to get out of production and just ramp up these other sources of income, and then just refer out all my other real estate business and just really focus on making YouTube. That's kind of my ultimate goal. Everybody's got an extra strategy out of this business. Everybody either talks about, one day I'm going to sell my database, or one day I'm going to become a team leader and just manage the agents, or one day I'm going to recruit so many people to EXP that I don't have to work anymore. My exit strategy and Christina's exit strategy is just become full-time YouTubers, right? Do what we're passionate about. And that is absolutely a path. There's absolutely a path there. There's not many people who have walked that path yet. But Christina and I are both walking that path. I think Javier may even be walking that path as well, where ultimately the ultimate goal is make enough money from these other sources of income that are from YouTube that we can put all our time into this, instead of putting our time focusing on real estate as well. That's kind of the big dream there. So anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that kind of helped some of you out, maybe inspired you to pursue some of these other sources of income. Maybe start up a second channel about something that you're really passionate about and really enjoy, that maybe you can make a little money from those affiliate links on Amazon. If you want to learn more about using YouTube in your real estate business, click right here to check out another video. And if you want to earn an extra $100,000 a year in commission just from making YouTube videos, check out my course at youtubeleadgen.com. Link down below.